Fuck off. Hey, I need a spot.
In this trash can?
In this trash
Yeah,
can?
not in it.
I watched the lid pop. I'm like, he's in the trash can.
Motherfucker.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
It's at the corner of Richardson Avenue and Sullivan. There's an African-American male and a white female, and he's like hitting her and yelling at her and screaming at her, and it's been going on for about 5 minutes now. She's trying to run away, and he's chasing her down. He's in a white shirt. He's like khaki pants. She's in shorts and a black top. I don't know if you can hear him.
You said she's female white?
Yes, ma'am. And then
And
he's
what's
an African-American
the shirt?
male. Looks black, and she's wearing shorts. She's got a black book bag, and then the gentleman is, well, the guy.
Description, any weapons, Steve?
I can't see here, but he is slapping her around.
Stop! Hey! 193, he just ran, he's running northbound, running westbound. Male black, white shirt. Stop! Southbound. In the alley, headed northwestbound in the alley. Back here! Back here. Get out of the trash can now! He's in this trash can. Get out! Get out!
Oh, okay! Okay! Oh, get on your face! I'm done! Get on your face! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
You got him?
Get out! Get out!
Get the fuck out! Okay! Okay! Oh, get on your face! I'm done!
Get on your face!
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! You got it. Why you tased me?
Because you wouldn't come out!
I was gonna give me tased! Damn! Why you do that? Why y'all do that?
Not hard, bud.
I'm done. I'm cooperating. You hear me? I'm not doing shit. I'm cooperating.
Yeah, okay.
God damn! I was coming! Shit! I was coming. Let's check. He takes the shit. Yeah, man.
My cruiser needs security.
Go ahead. We're good.
Yeah, it's male. She's blonde.
Dude, I passed her and she went.
Yeah. You headed southbound, and he kind of punched her. And then as soon as I jumped out, he took off.
I did not punch my
I
girlfriend.
watched you punch her, dude.
No, you did. Ask her. She didn't tell you I didn't punch her. Here.
Yep, I'm on it.
Yeah,
I really didn't
trash
punch you.
can lit. I'm like, there he is.
I really didn't punch you though.
You did.
I promise.
I
Ask
watched
her.
you punch her.
Oh my God, I didn't punch her. Ah, hold on, you putting the needles.
Sir, I watched you punch her.
Oh, the needles.
Yeah, don't roll on your stomach.
Please. Here, your other pocket. Hey, it's a bong right here.
There's what?
A weed bong right here.
Yeah, that's it.
Run.
Huh?
Why did you run?
Got this shit right here.
Okay. Can you come around this way so I can roll him?
Oh, no, please don't put your spikes.
You're not. That's why we put you over here.
Holy shit. I smoke crack. Hey,
You do smoke crack.
I smoke crack. That's it. I ain't got nothing else. That's nice.
How does this thing come out, Jack?
Hey, I'm. Oh, fuck. How you gonna do that?
Because you stood there. I had to get a weapon on you.
I didn't want you to fucking shoot me. You did.
I'm not gonna shoot you.
Shot you?
With the taser.
Oh,
Fuck.
you should have just stopped and talked.
I know, but I'm fucking scared, okay?
Well, I understand that.
Fuck, man. I got
big
this dumbass
guys.
bong on me. Even though y'all
you
not
ran
even
because
give a
of
fuck about it.
You run because of a bong?
I don't know why the fuck. I think that was dumb as fuck.
Yeah. Not great.
I'm done.
Okay, you good?
I swear to God, I'm gonna cooperate. Like, I promise. All right.
Stay right here, okay?
I got you.
Just breathe slow. You're fine.
Shit, you taste the shit out of me. Fuck, don't
That
laugh.
wasn't that bad, was it?
Fuck, no.
I think I actually missed one of the prongs. You only got one.
You missed one?
Yeah, one's right here.
I thought it.
Hold on, I got it.
Between your legs.
Pull from the front. All right.
What's your name, dude?
Devin.
I
Devin?
got a medic to come and get this other one out of here, okay? Just hang loose.
Yeah, I saw something flat back here.
Huh? What?
Yeah.
I wasn't sure what it was, and I was like, he's back
But
there.
why the fuck did y'all want me so bad?
Well, I had him. I was only about 30 feet from him.
I understand
and
why
then
I want me so
ghosted
bad.
on me. I'm like, oh, he's got to be around here.
I was watching, when I saw him, I was watching for you because I didn't want to hit you.
Oh.
I didn't know where you were coming, and then
Oh,
I
the
got
alley?
past you, and I was like, where'd he go?
Like a year old.
Devin, how do you spell your your first name?
Streets of Columbus.
What?
Streets of Columbus.
I can't hear you.
Streets of Columbus.
Streets of Columbus, okay.
Fuck me, he didn't give me a chance. You're not fair. What? He said, get out, pal. What the fuck?
Jackie's at the top button? I think so.
Oh, please don't hit the taste button. I don't give a fuck what you do, okay?
You already got it out, bud. The prong already popped
Devin,
off.
what's a good phone number for you, dude?
419 area code.
Okay.
It's not at
804.
The other one missed between his legs. He was inside.
But I thought
of
they both don't get on there, it don't work.
That works a little bit. Yeah, you.
A little bit, my ass. It works a lot of it. Fuck you mean a little bit?
You all right?
Fuck no.
Well, I mean, are you relatively okay?
Relatively. I'm fucked. Get you. I'm on the ground in handcuffs and you guys standing there. Am I okay?
Would you mind?
Yeah.
Slaughter. Jacob,
Got a bunch of
What's up, buddy?
get me out of here. Not to jail though.
I think that's where you're going,
You
buddy.
want to sit up?
Why am I going to jail?
You want to sit up? For what? Just on your butt.
No, I say why. I say why am I going to go to jail?
Hold on. Put your foot back up here. I'll fix your shoe.
Thank you.
Does that keep you? Makes this thing work?
Hell, fuck it, it worked.
Just one probe too. We got one.
He was like, fuck. Now he cheated. He said, get out, pal. He didn't give me a chance.
No, you didn't.
Oh.
I heard him on
Hey, I
the
need.
radio.
Oh, I need a spot.
In this trash can?
In this trash?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you put it in it.
I watched the lid pop. I'm like, he's in the trash can.
Motherfucker.
Dude, that's awesome. I opened
That's
it.
not
He
fucking
wouldn't come out like.
No, I would've. Scared the shit out of me.
DJ's car's a lot closer.
I didn't give me a chance.
We can't even run. So you think you have a warrant, man?
It might be for misdemeanor, yeah.
Traffic or something?
No, it's misdemeanor probation, man.
Okay.
I think we also have some crackers,
So I know if I got
cocaine.
oh my god, you gonna really charge me with that? I never. I
didn't say yes or no.
I know you did. I know.
I just
But
said that we have some.
where you got crack at?
In this here bag.
No, that is oh the fucking god. I'm gonna tell you what it is. All right. Can I tell you what it is? It's supposed to be XP. I don't know what the fuck it is though. I ain't touching it. I ain't fucking with that shit.
Why are you making that
Nah, that's my girlfriend. She's not from here. She's from London. And she thinks she can go out here.
I wasn't ready.
I
wasn't ready.
Are you by yourself? My girlfriend London. She thinks she can go out here and do dumbass dates and shit like that. No, don't do that shit. These people will fuck you up. You can't be out here doing dates. She's
So
not
we got
from
a
here.
call about you hitting her. That's why we showed up.
No, we was arguing.
We don't
yes.
just show up and.
We was arguing, yes. And when you said I hit her, I grabbed her grip. I did not hit her, I promise you. If you talk to her, you can ask yourself.
See, that's what's gonna happen when I ride that bull. See how fast I got here? Y'all miss it.
Tell me I'm dying.
Just saying, you all.
I'm bleeding to death. Oh, shit.
I'm way past my bedtime.
What's the...
Oh, Lucas, get me out of here.
It popped off his chest. The second one missed, so all I had was the first initial.
Just the chest wound?
Yeah, and it came out.
It popped out already?
Yeah, it's over here.
No, wait. Oh,
It was in, and then as he was moving, it popped out.
Okay. That's the only one we had?
The other one didn't attach.
Yeah, they're both right here.
I think
We
it
have
hit
the
his
full-
pant leg.
Is there three
Down here.
or just two on here?
Just two.
Okay.
Yep, we have
Some vitals on them.
all the barbs.
There.
I'm dying. I'm dying. Yeah, my last words. Tell her to get off the street. That's my last word. Tell her to stay off the street.
You're running like an Olympic champ there.